Hello, I am Olivia. I am a university student. It is morning now. It is spring. The weather is very good today. The sun is yellow and bright. The sky is blue. I am happy. I walk to the university. My friend is Emma. Emma is a good friend. She is a student too. We walk together. We talk. The university is big. I like my university very much. Emma and I go to a classroom. The room is very big. There are many desks. There are many chairs. I see other students. I sit on a wooden chair. Emma sits next to me. I have a black bag. I open my bag. I take my book. I take my pen. My book is red. My pen is blue. I am ready to study. The teacher comes in. He is a tall man. He is a very good teacher. He smiles. He says, "Good morning, students." I say, "Good morning." Emma says, "Good morning." The teacher writes on the board. The board is white. He uses a black pen. I look at the board. I listen to the teacher. I write in my notebook. My notebook is blue. I write English words. I like this class. English is very interesting. Now, the class is finished. I have a short break. I go to the library. The library is very quiet. I see many books. I sit at a big table. I read my red book. I learn new words. I like to learn. Question for you. What is your favorite book? Please write a comment. In the next video, I'll talk about my lunch at university. Subscribe so you don't miss it.